Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen bezel on the new MacBook Pros from the 2016 until now. In my case, I have a very small hairline crack that is barely visible, but the customer still wanted to replace it. So to remove the bezel, we need heat and a very thin metal spatula or a thin piece of plastic. Just apply heat while slicing between the LCD and the bezel. Here is the most important thing to remember, is to be very careful, so you don't damage the LCD flex cables. Keep the LCD on, so you know that you are not doing anything wrong. Sorry, I can't get the camera to focus to show you the crack correctly, but as you can see there is a very small hairline crack. And now we installed the new bezel, and as you can see, it already has a double-sided tape on it. So we just remove the cover and glue it onto the LCD and you're good to go. So that will be it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. See you next time.